So here's how I went to Pune, and this was my first time at KIA Terminal 2, and it was so pretty and so resourceful. I just loved it there. So the morning I reached there, we had Indori Poha takeaway along with kachori and jalebi and rabdi. It was just so amazing. Like, I've never had such kind of poha in my life. Like, at home I would usually not eat it, but since it was Indori poha and it tasted very different, it was really good. And the kachori is to die for. It's like so good. Like, I've never had such good kachori in Bangalore ever. And as you know, I love jalebi. And then in the evening we went to Lakshmi Road and we did some street shopping, and then we headed to Joshi Vada Wale. ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಜೋಶಿ ವಡವಾಲ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಲಸ್ಸಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಡಾ ಪಾವ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? ವಡಾ ಪಾವ್ ವಡಾ ಪಾವ್ ಜೊತೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಪುಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಬೇಕು. ದ ವಡಾ ಪಾವ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದ chutney pudi is usually very spicy. You need to add the right amount and then it tastes good. And then I tried mango lassi, which was just yum, and it was like perfect sourness and sweetness. It was so good. The next day we went to Pune's MG Road, where we went to Marzorin Cafe, and it's actually famous for sandwiches. The sandwiches were just too good. Now we go Marzorin anta one place banidvi. It's actually famous for sandwich. We tried paneer roll, Marzorin sandwich, and also veg grilled sandwich. The veg grilled sandwich was just really tasty, and like I could even have 5 of them and I could still have more. After a long day we went home and we played this board game called Stratego. It's just so fun and like it gets personal, you know. Then the day after we went to Deepak Sweets in Pimpri Chinchwad to have chats, and I just loved their ragda patties and pani puri. It's so good. Then this is another place called Thorat's Misal Pav. So here they give 4 types of rasas, and then pohe, aloo, matka kalu and ಮಜ್ಜಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಾ? This is rasa. And then they give a plate which will be having fasan, which is nothing but mixture. So you mix all these ingredients together and have it with pav. Next, this is another place called Vasu Vada Pav, and it's in Nigdi. We had vada pav there. It was quite good. And then we also tasted sabudana vada, which was very oily, but it tasted good. And it was overall a good experience of vada pav. Next is the last place that we visited. It's a restaurant called Baba Ramdev Dhaba. It's actually a Rajasthani cuisine restaurant. Now we are Baba Ramdev Dhaba bandidivi, and this is the Rajasthani restaurant, and we are trying dal bati, and I'll eat and I'll let you know how it is. You are not putting it. one was dal balera. So next year we are trying armrest. It's actually very cold and Kannadali navidna.
ಶ್ರೀಕರ್ಣೆ
ಶ್ರೀಕರ್ಣೆ ಇದು ಶ್ರೀಕರ್ಣೆ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದೇ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಲಸ್ಸಿನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವೆರಿ 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 ಯಮ್ಮಿ. ಮ್ಯಾಂಗೋ ಲಸ್ಸಿ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. Good dinner. Tummy full. Bye bye.
Systems are working perfectly.
Praveen is currently driving now and taking a video for her in the phone.
Okay,
Good start.
Fly, spin, knife, take off. Samadana instructed by the Chikappa.
Like, share and subscribe.